Can you tell me about the actual space gun that was built?
So, as far as I understand, there was this thing called Project HARP, and we have a picture right here. I think it was the Navy or just the DoD was experimenting with a space gun. Could they get the projectile fired by this cannon up into space and into orbit? I think it was not successful. There's just too much atmosphere to get the projectile through. And they weren't even launching equipment or anything. I think they were just launching like a solid bullet.
Hmm.
So
One
it
of
couldn't
these
even get to
crazy,
orbit.
one of these crazy German World War II science projects.
Yep.
Wild.
Can we click on Project HARP there?
Project Heart.
There's
Sure.
a little. Yeah, what does it
Oh,
say?
this was a United States thing. I see.
Yeah. So is it as a joint venture of the U.S. Department of Defense and Canada's Department of National Defense, created with the goal of studying ballistics and of re-entry vehicles and collecting upper atmospheric data for research. They were trying to get something into space. Let's be real here. They're not blasting this for upper atmospheric research. Get out of here.
Pathetic
Unlike
upper
conventional
atmosphere.
space launching methods that rely on rockets, HARP instead used very large guns to fire projectiles into the atmosphere at extremely high speeds. So not only do you have to get to orbital speed, which is like, what, 17,000 miles per hour, 26,000 kilometers per hour? I can't remember the numbers. Fast. You have to add additional velocity at the beginning because you're going to lose a ton of energy because of atmospheric drag.
From the
See,
drag.
this thing probably needs to go like 40 or 50, 1,000 kilometers per hour out the barrel. That's so fast. It's gonna burn up. It's just gonna.
16-inch gun, 410 millimeter gun. Gosh dang.
It's huge. Look at that. Look at that like muzzle explosion. I don't know what you call that. Damn.
Muzzle flash and every bird and like 20 miles away. Like, oh my gosh.
Like what the?
The sun.